Here are some distinguishing features of Loligo that can help identify them. 1. Body shape. Loligo have a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body that is tapered at both ends. They have a mantle that is elongated and cylindrical in shape, with fins located at the rear of the mantle. 2. Tentacles and arms. Loligo have 2 long tentacles and 8 shorter arms, which are used for capturing prey and locomotion. The tentacles are equipped with suckers, which can be used to grasp and hold onto prey. 3. Siphon. Loligo have a siphon, which is a muscular tube located at the base of the mantle. The siphon is used for jet propulsion, allowing the squid to move quickly through the water. 4. Coloration. Loligo are typically light-colored, with a pale body and darker markings on the head and mantle. The coloration can vary depending on the species and the environment in which they live. 5. Size. Loligo can vary in size depending on the species, with some growing up to 60 centimeters in length. The European squid, for example, typically grows to around 30 centimeters in length. Overall, the streamlined body shape, tentacles and arms, siphon, coloration, and size of Loligo can help distinguish them from other types of squid and marine animals.